Hey folks, how's it all going? And oh yeah, in the land of grills, we're gonna break out the Blackstone tonight. I've got some nice center cut boneless pork chops, folks. I tell you what, why don't you go take a look at them? I'll get this thing pulled out. It's kind of a nice night in the 40s, sun is shining, not so windy, and it's a great night for the Blackstone. So let's get her going. All right, folks, there's our center cut pork loin boneless pork chops. Looking mighty nice. I've got a little bit of the saying stir fry. You know how I love that stuff. And then, you know what? I'm going with the Cindy Lou's tonight. Cindy Lou's oink. This stuff is really, really good. And it's made by a small family-owned business, folks. And this, in these days of ages and all the crazy things that are going on in this world today, you got to really support the small businesses. Get out and support when you can your small businesses, folks. And if you're wondering what's in this, it has got obviously cane sugar, sea salt, brown sugar, chili, pepper, garlic, onion, orange zest, spices, hydrolysed corn protein, don't know what that is, vinegar powder, citrus, no MSG, no glutens, no common allergies. So that's what's in it. I tell you what the smell is. I always like to give it the sniff test, and oh man, this really smells nice. You can really smell the citrus in there and obviously the sugar. So we're gonna get these on the grill. And let's get over to the grill, shall we? All right, as we go toward the Blackstone, you see my the latest project here, 1998 Weber kettle, 22-inch. Picked this up cheap, but you can see I just did a little spot check to see how clean I can get it, and that was just with the gel gloss, and it's looking pretty good. This thing came with some pretty neat accessories, folks. I can't wait to redo that table a little bit and get that back to mint condition, and the two shelves, one inside, one outside, the hanging one, that's pretty cool. So I almost think I was talking about in the last or two videos ago about getting new handles, and I really honestly think I can figure out a way to clean these up, but I think I can clean these up and save them and be pretty nice. Daisy wheel's got to come off and got to clean that real good, and I might just go ahead with some new legs and a new ash pan and see if I can save those wheels, because those wheels are the non-white wall type. And you see they even say Weber on them. So I know we're supposed to be talking about the Blackstone, not about the Weber. So coming up the temperature of this. Now there were two versions of this combo tailgater made. Now you can see this is the Tom Horseman modified version. And if you're wondering what I modified, I put that handle on the side, raise the legs up on both sides so I can put wheels. And that makes it a lot more portable. Even if we were to take this camping or something like that, or even tailgating, when we can do it again, you'll be able to use that. And then obviously I made the cover on that. If you want to see how I did that, Tom Horseman YouTube, and then I made wind guards too. And like I said, you can see my other videos where I show how to make that and show using it. So we're coming up to temp quick on that. That's one nice thing about this small little tailgater is yeah, you're right, it is small, but there's a lot of room on there when you combine both the griddle and the grill together. So let's get our pork chops on. All right, almost forgot about you. Let's get you on there while we're getting these on. Nice thing that's got a cover on it, and these won't take long, folks, so keep on watching. All right, just did the first flip here. Look at my nest. I'm still trying to figure out where all the hot spots are on these things. I think where these vents are down here, I think that's, and there's, I think opposite on the other side too, I think that's where the hottest spots are. It's got this insert in there that goes to the outside and collects the grease, and then it goes to a hole that, which is right here, that goes down to the tray. So at least the grease is going somewhere. Give you another look-see. Flip here. I've got some barbecue sauce here. I found this on sale for like 99 cents. Kingsford smoked hickory. It smells good at least. So tell you what, let's use a quick flip. Oh yeah, that looks much better. So definitely a hot spot. Not so much in the middle, but on the sides there where the vents come up. So we're gonna put our sauce on, give her one more flip, give you a look-see. Oh man, folks, there they are. So hungry, look at the juice just run out of that. One of the key things with pork as small as this is make sure you don't overcook it, because it's really easy to overcook it. And everybody hates dried out pork. So let's see how this turned out. Looks mighty juicy to me. Let's take a taste test. I can taste that oink from St. Louis. And this ain't bad for 99 cents. Folks, don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to support small business. And this time, remember, the big businesses, they're going to recover from this. Small businesses like www.rubsandmore.com, Bakers of St. Louis, or out of California, folks, this is going to devastate them. So go online, order some of the product. This stuff is, you can't go wrong with it. And as always, don't forget this while you're online, Tom Horseman at YouTube. Please subscribe. And over 95% of my views are from non-subscribers. So obviously, if you're watching it now, please subscribe. Thumbs up, leave a comment. As always, I answer every comment, unless you're rude, and then I don't. But other than that, thanks for watching, folks. I really do appreciate it.